Hello, I'm Alive, and today we're going to be making applesauce with our assistant. And I'm not sure what he wants him to call himself. And here's our assistant.
So the first thing we need to do is
It's
peel
the apples.
Yep.
Glorious apples. As well as you've got to get the cores out of it. I guess. Yeah, mainly. Okay. Yeah, we're doing it. Okay. What else do we have? And the requirements for that is a peeler, right there, and then the cooler. And you're also going to need some apples for the bit. So yeah. We'll skip to once we've done it. Okay, we've just about done it. Okay, so yeah. And now we're going to be cutting the apple into small pieces after we got most of it off. Most of the skin, because we don't want any skin on it. Okay? Just glorious apples. And for this bit, you're going to need a knife and the peeled apples with no core, no skin. No skin may be the hardest bit to do, but who knows? Okay, here's the cutting in progress. That's what you want it to be like. You can either have it to be smooth or small, I guess. Or chunky. I'm going for smooth.
So what do we need to do at the end to make it smooth?
I don't know.
Mash it.
Okay.
Or blend it. We will mash.
Yeah, I think blending may seem a bit over excessive. But yeah, okay. Now we're going to put this in a pot and we're then going to put it on the stove, I'm guessing.
You need to add some water.
Okay. Oh yeah, add water. Then put it on the stove. And yeah. Oh wait. Yeah. I thought I paused it. Okay. With the power. So yeah. Gotta cut the waste. Yeah. Yeah. I'll see you once we've done that and filled the pot with water. Okay, so now you get a cup, about that size, with your pot full. Then you pour a half a cup. You're going to, as well as you're also going to need 3 apples to cut that up with. Should probably say that before. Okay.
Use big apples, otherwise it'd be a quarter.
Yeah. Yeah. If you use small apples, we would have just used the quarter. But yeah. They're big, so now you wait for 6 to 8 minutes while this heats, and yeah. Then that part. Oh, and we are back with our assistant. Yeah. So we're crunching this up because we've waited around 6 to 8 minutes for it to boil. How would you say that this is going right now?
Oh, I should have chosen a bigger pot.
Oh yeah. Okay. So we wouldn't suggest that you choose a pot around that size. Yeah.
Just mixing it around a bit as well.
Yeah. And yeah. So yeah, we'll see you.
A bigger pot would have probably cooked quicker.
So yeah. And so we're going to leave this to boil for a bit more. How much more would you say?
It's not boiling yet.
Oh.
I might just put the timer on so we keep track of
How much?
doing.
Let's just put it on for 3 more minutes. Okay, 10 more minutes then. So we're going to do this for 10 minutes, and you'll see how it turns out when we do it. In a flash. In a flash. Okay. Okay, we just got it. Okay, we're seeing it on for 3 more minutes. Can't give you a vision of it because it's black.
You want to come
Yeah.
look at it?
Oh, that was the timer. Whoops.
Yep, so we'll do it for around another
Okay.
3 minutes.
Okay, we're doing another 3 minutes. We'll see you then. Time to teleport. Boom. And we're here. The time is ended and the sauce is created. So you can either eat this straight away or you can save it up for maybe lunches or something like that. We're going to save it because it's nearly 8:30. So yeah.
You have to get a big container to put in the fridge.
Oh yeah, true. And you have decided, and that my assistant has decided on his name, the Mr. It is 8:30 right now.
So what does
Almost
that mean?
8:31. That's after we've created this and put it in a box.
We're going to let it cool down.
Yeah. Not cool it down all night. I'm not sure how that would be. So yeah.
Might have to.
And it's good. And I'm going to give you a secret on my next video. It's either going to contain a friend, or it's going to involve pinatas. So yeah. Yeah. So yeah. The first person who will be coming over will be Mr. I'm not going to say his name because I'm not sure if the parents would allow him.
Well, you can say Mr. OP though.
No one will know him. Nah.
If we're going to put him on YouTube, we've got to get his parents' permission.
Yeah. Always remember that, kids. Today's lesson. Always talk to someone's parents before doing something. Okay, maybe not everything, but most things. I'm just not going to bother with that noise. I hate my life sometimes.
What's that?
I say it all the time. What would you expect? Holding it. That's being smashed to floors.
Yes. I mean, if you want to get it finer, the
Yeah.
breaker is a little bit too big, so a lot of stuff is slipping through. So if you wanted to get it finer, you'd need to put it in a blender.
As well as always.
I like
always
mine
smash
a little
mine.
bit chunky.
Yeah.
So we'll just leave it there to stew a bit more.
Yeah.
And then I'll come back in about an hour's time or so.
And it will be cooled down. So we'll then put it in one of the boxes. No, boxes I guess. Yeah, over there. And yeah, we would be good. So yeah. So yeah. This has been Ola and the Mystic Tank, and we will. And so bye and
Bye.
you don't know it yet. Bye and stay with the Ola.
Oh. Stay with the order.